He is basically in high spirit. He's basically waiting on a trial date. What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Yes man, it's your boy Dean from the Ennis family. As you all know, if it's the first year coming across this channel, man, be sure to like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that post notification bell, yes, so you'll be notified whenever I drop a next video. And if also you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. Alright, so in my previous video, right, I dropped as it regards to, you know, the latest update on Christmas Day situation, right? I made a few friends, of course, as well as I made a couple of enemies, you know, but nevertheless, that's a part of social media, and you know, don't really watch that. But nevertheless, my people, today I'm here to give you another update. Christmas Day went to court yesterday, Monday, and you know, things went well as it regards to getting out of, you know, that dungeon that he was basically in, right? So basically Christmas List got bailed yesterday when he went to court. However, the court held on to his passport, so what that means is that Christmas List won't be able to leave Trinidad nevertheless, because, you know, once there's a charge on you in a particular country, you know, they are going to hold on to your passport, which basically has that visa in it, so you won't be able to travel, right, until the court case is finished. He is basically in high spirit. He's, you know, feeling good that he's out, you know, as I said before. His fans are feeling very elated, you know. So basically right now he's basically waiting on a trial date. The trial date is not yet set, so as soon as we get some information on that, we'll definitely update you guys. But I mean, Christmas List has been held illegally, and as I said before, my people, the Trinidad authorities are aware of that, you understand? But you know, to prevent them from looking very small, you know, to prevent them from looking as if they're not doing anything in their country, they're gonna try something, you know. But what this does for Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm making this clear and explicit, that your reputation is being ruined now. A lot of people are going to be afraid of traveling to your country, and I can tell you, because they are going to be of the view that you are going to do the same as it relates to what you guys done to Christmas List. You understand? So it paints a bad picture on your tourism sector overall. Let's make that very clear. You understand? Christmas List, as I mentioned off in my previous video, he is just a journalist. You understand? He just goes around and, you know, highlight those community that are those garrisons that may not have been exposed to the wider public. You know, people may have not heard about them, people may have not even known about them, or that there are certain situations taking place in a particular country. You understand? Christmas List traveled to over 140, I think it's 143 countries. The last time we met, he told me that he had traveled to. You understand? So I mean, a man who is a world traveler, and he's basically doing the same God Almighty thing in every country that he travels to. You understand? And Trinidad, you are the only one. You are the only one who, you know, breached this step in taking Christmas List as a hostage, as a criminal. You understand? When he's basically highlighting you guys of what taking place in your country, because obviously it seems to me that you guys are not aware of it. Because I mean, if you guys were aware of it, right, you guys would have dealt with the situation before. You You understand? So it means that there are things happening in the country that you're basically in charge of, and you don't know. How does that look? That paints a bad image, number one. That's paint an extremely bad image, a very bad reputation on your country. You understand? Of course, I am from Jamaica, and you know, Trinidad is a part of the Caribbean countries. So, you know, people may be saying, oh, how you bashing the next Caribbean country and you're from a Caribbean country? Come on. Where justice needs to be split right down the middle, that's where I'm going to split it. You understand? He's been held illegally. He has been held unlawfully. You understand? Because in truth and in fact, there's nothing that you guys have on Christmas list. In my comment section in my previous video, there are people saying that Trinidad have laws and Trinidad this and Trinidad that. So are you saying to me that all those countries that Christmas list had traveled to before, none of those countries have law? Let's talk about it now, Dennis family. Yeah. Huh? Over 140 countries, right, and never been detained for his content. And you are now coming into my comment section and telling me that Trinidad have laws. So basically you're telling me that all those countries that he had traveled to before doesn't have laws? Come on, man. You understand? People are also saying in my comment section that where do you think he is? Do you think he's at a 5-star hotel? Come on. The man is innocent until he has proven guilty by a judge. Because a police officer detain you doesn't mean that you are guilty of an offense that they have charged you for. You understand? So I mean, you're saying that, you know, if I believe that he's in a 5-star hotel, and you know, that's the reason why he's going through all of that and this and that and blah blah ray. Come on, man. If you detain a person, it doesn't mean that you should treat them inhumane. It doesn't mean that you must treat them as if they're a dog or some sort of animals. You understand? As I said before, you know, the person who is being detained, you know, should remain innocent until he has brought before a judge and proven guilty of that offense that the officer has charged him for. You understand? So right now, my beautiful people, want to know, just drop in the comment section and let me know what you guys basically think about this Christmas list situation. You understand? It has been dominating social media all around. So I know that you guys must have heard about it, as well as you guys may have somewhat tapped into some of these bloggers or social media influencers, you know, to get an understanding of what basically taking place. Drop in the comment section, man, and tell me, what do you think about the Christmas list situation? Christmas list is now freed somewhat, not free, all incomplete, because you know that he's out on bail now, so basically he has to go back to court. You understand? But you know, he is with his lawyer. He's at, you know, his lawyer apartment, so I believe that he should be in safe hands, you know. Yeah, and I mean, you know, I believe, you know, the Trinidad authority should take full, you know, responsibility as it regards to his safety also. You understand? So anything, we are going to hold the Trinidad authority responsible once there's anything that spiral out of control that cause Christmas to either get hurt or to be hospitalized or whatever sort. You understand? because it's your sole responsibility to ensure his safety, because he's in your country as a tourist, you understand, and his family, his wife, his kids, his mother, his father, brother, sister are looking forward to have him back on the Canadian soil in good health, in good spirit and everything. So again, man, you'll be held fully responsible if anything should happen to Christmas list. So yes, my beautiful people, so that's basically what's taking place now with Christmas list. He's out of he's out of jail, he's out of that dungeon, that inhumane situation now, and we're basically happy about that. So yeah, he's awaiting his next court date, so he can basically go before the court now, with a lawyer for the first time, because remember, as I said before, that he was questioned by the Trinidad authorities without a lawyer, which is unlawful to question an individual about a particular crime without having his lawyer present. You understand? So yeah, he'll be having that opportunity to go before the court for the first time with a lawyer, and he can sit with his lawyer basically now and explain everything that took place, and so they can basically put their case together and present it to the court. So as I said before, my people, Canadian affairs are also on this matter, as well as the Trinidad affairs. So we're looking forward for a positive result as it regards to the whole situation, so that Christmas list can go home to his family and continue his work in other countries that may accept him there for whatever reason or purpose. So until then, my beautiful people, take good care of yourself, man. Yeah, man. Peace out. That is the update with Christmas list right now, out of prison, out of jail, on bail, and awaiting a court date, and he'll be having his lawyer present for the next court date. So take good care of yourself, my beautiful people. Peace out.